Oh yeah, watch me make $1,900 just with Lyft. Same strategies, okay? No Uber. All right, it's Monday. What's it? October 18th. October 18th. All right, new week. Still Uber is down. With the background check. All right. So I might be doing. I'm just gonna, I guess stick to Lyft. I still have other options, but still, Lyft has been doing pretty good for me. So, all right, let's keep it going. It's the start of a new week. All right, let's go. See how much money we make. All right, it is 12:14, and I finished with Uber with making 139 or 139, 138, 139, I think. All right, there's a promo going on with Lyft called a challenge. I'm still down for Uber, all right, until the background check is done. So we're gonna stick to Lyft. 139 at 12 noon. So I still got another. I got the rest. I got to 10 o'clock. Usually to 10 o'clock. So all right, let's see how it goes. All right, let's keep making this money. All right, so I finished making 221 with just Lyft. Got the challenge going. So what I'm doing is I'm applying the same strategies that I'm doing with Uber. I'm applying them now with Lyft. 221 for the day. All right, all right. I'm just working my way up to the Lyft tier. So once I make it up to the top, then I'll get more rides, I get more bonuses and all that stuff. But they have that challenge going on, which is the same thing as doing Uber Quest. So Monday 221, and I think like 27 or 28 rides. So I'm applying the same strategies. At least for Monday, it's gonna be making as many deliveries as possible. So 27 delivery rides. So let's keep making this money. See how much money we make tomorrow. It's Tuesday the 19th, I think. 6 o'clock in the morning. All right, again, I can't sleep. All right, let's make this money. All right, finish the day off making like 137. I finished at about 2 o'clock, 2:15. Damn son, hold on. 2:15, and right now it's like 5 something. So I took like 4 hours off. Okay, 137 for today. All right, let's see how much money. Let's keep it going. All right, all Lyft today. I finished the day off 298, and I only work 8 hours. 8 hours. So I took off from like 2 o'clock till about like 6 or something like that. All right, so I only work 2 hours, 298, 19 trips. Okay, I think that's like 36 an hour. I don't know, something like that. For Lyft, and for only 8 hours. Hey, I'm not complaining. All right, I'm still working my way up on Lyft, on a tier on Lyft. So the more I work it, the higher I get on the tier, and the more money I make because they give me more rides or bonuses, blah blah blah, and all that stuff. Anyway, 298 for today, Tuesday. All right, let's see how much money we make for tomorrow, Wednesday. 6:15 in the morning. See, this stupid 16/8 fasting diet about wakes me up at 5, and I gotta go. All right, today's Wednesday. Oh my god. All right, Wednesday. Let's make this money. All right, it is 1:16. I made a total of 120 something, or 122 or something like that. Yep. Remember, Uber is down, and I'm just sticking to Lyft, and Lyft has that challenge. All right. But let's keep it going. Let's keep making this money. I'm gonna compare both, doing a week with Uber and then doing a week with Lyft, so I can see the differences. But anyway, let's keep making this money. All right, finished up at 8:43, and I think made a total of 257 with Lyft. Remember, I still don't have Uber. All right, only 8 hours, which puts me at like $32 an hour. So all right, doing better with a Lyft than I was with Uber, and that's because I took from about 2:30 to 6 o'clock. I took off. All right, so only 8 hours, or 8 hours and whatever, 40 something minutes. All right, let's keep it going. See how much money we make tomorrow. All right, it is 7:56 in the morning. I am still down Uber, sticking to Lyft. All right, Thursday. I was a little tired yesterday, so I'm still a little tired this morning, but Starbucks will get rid of that. All right, let's see how much money we make today. All right, it is 8:04, and I'm at a total of 327 with Lyft. All right, good day today. It's only 8. I'm charging. I think I'm gonna work a little more. I want to see how far I can get till 10 o'clock. So, all right, while you Lyft, remember Uber is still down. All right, let's make this money. All right, it's 10:09. I continue working, and I made a total of 376. All right, I'm done for today. Thursday was busy, so that means Friday is gonna be really busy too. So, all right, let's keep doing this. Uber still down. All right, let's keep making this money. All right, it is 5:25 in the morning. All right, you've got to love your business. If you can wake up this, if you wake up this early, then you've got to love what you do. All right, where's my car? There it is. All right, 5:25 in the morning. It's Friday. All right, let's see how much money we make today. Today is the F1 weekend, so F1's gonna be racing. All right, let's see how much money we make. All right, it's like 11:08 right now. I made a total of like 114. Remember today I woke up at 4. I was like 4 something, and then I out by 5 something, by 5:20 something, I was out the door. All right, it's only 11 o'clock. I'm charging right now, so all right, let's keep it going. 114 for today. Let's see how much we make. All right, so I finished the day off making 351, and I finished at 9:02 p.m. I'm pretty much done. I'm here at the W Hotel celebrating the F1. Oh yeah. All right, done for the day. Let's see how much I'm gonna make tomorrow. All right, it is Saturday, 8:02 a.m. All right, so today I'm gonna work a little bit, but I have a private ride because of the F1 racing that's going on. So I picked up some clients, and today's money is really not gonna count. So it's a $700 private ride, but I'm gonna be with them for 5 hours. I should have charged them more, but still. Let's see how much money we make. Let's see how much money we make. Remember, Uber is still down. All right, and I'm just doing Lyft. All right, let's make this money. All right, so I'm charging. I finished the day off making a total of 962. Well, 162 with Uber, and then I did a private ride for 700. F1. There's no cars available. Anyway, 962 for today. I don't even know if it counts, but you know, profit is profit. All right, let's keep it going. Let's see how much money we make tomorrow. Remember, no Uber. All right, again, it's about like 9:30. All right, I woke up a little late today. I do that private ride from 11 till about 3, and then I go back to ridesharing. So, yeah. All right, but again, today I'm gonna make a lot of money, but it doesn't really count. It was a private ride anyway. All right, but all right, let's see how much money we make. It's 9:07. I finished the day off making 199 for today, with a total of 1,900. Saturday and Sunday I didn't work too much, but I still made 1,900 because I still made another 1,500 on private car service. So, but for Lyft, only 1,900. About 100 days, $100 short of my 2,000 for the week. I'm actually doing better with Lyft than I am with Uber. All right, so I might switch a little bit. I might make Lyft my primary, and then when I get Uber back, make Uber my secondary. All but the promos for Lyft are really good. Strategies are still the same. All right, the only thing that I cannot do with Lyft is do the deliveries. All right, but let's keep making this money. All right, it's a Sunday, 1900. All right, with another 1500 in private rides. All right, dude, easy money. All right, let's keep making this money. Let's see how much money we'll make next week.